If you want to know how to create moderation list on Bluesky, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up Bluesky. Click the three bars at the top left, and then go ahead and click the settings. And you're gonna see the third option, moderation, and you're gonna be able right here to see the moderation tool, mute words and tags, and then the second option, moderation list. And as you can see right here, I don't have a list. If you want to create a new one, click new at the top, and then just go ahead and tap something like spammers, right? And maybe, yeah, ads reply, something like that. Okay, and then hit save at the bottom. Okay, hit save right here, and now you created the moderation list. You can go ahead to the settings and share the list, or if you want to edit the list details, you could do that. And if you want to add other people, right, you could just go ahead and add other people to that list, right, so they can be on board with sharing their content right here, and then you're gonna be able to share content without having to be annoyed with ads or replies, something like that. So anyone who wants to join, you can share the link, and they will subscribe to that to that list. And you're gonna see right here the subscribe, view the account, and you're gonna see mute these accounts. Muted accounts can interact with you, but you will not see their posts. This is the list of muted account that you muted by yourself, or block accounts. Okay, blocking is public. Blocked accounts cannot reply on your threads, mention you, or otherwise interact with you. Go ahead and click block list, for example, and you're gonna be able right to see that you blocked all of your list. Now you blocked everyone who joins your list, but they cannot directly talk to you or say anything to you, or DM you. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.